I just got to Vietnam. I'm at Hanoi Airport right now, and 我完全没有想到，其实自己是会这样冷的。I think 这里 is colder than Genting. Yeah, 我一走出来就是凉凉的。And now we're just waiting for our transport in front of the airport. Yeah.
Hello YouTube.
Well, this is the first meal we had once we touched down. It's a 5 minutes walk from our hotel, and it's a very famous pizza restaurant in Vietnam. 这个是全越南最好吃的披萨专卖店，而且这里有超多选择的。So it's called Pizza 4-piece because the pizza they can mix up to 4 kind of different cheese, and we ordered the one with 3 different cheese, and wow, we immediately fell in love. The taste of the blue cheese 真的很香，而且很甜。Oh, I also realized something very interesting. People here actually eat pizza with honey. 可能我们都会觉得很奇怪，可是真的 trust me, it's really good, and you guys have to try it. Other than pizza, we also ordered carbonara pasta and this very famous crab cream spaghetti. It's also one of their best sellers here, and it's so good. 它真的是有满满的蟹肉，而且非常的 creamy， 还有不会很腻 and I think it's perfect for sharings.
Spring roll 的地方 then you're just sitting like that 这种小凳子上 and now I'm gonna make my own spring roll. I see people dip like that. I think that's how you eat it. Good morning, guys! It's a new day. It's 9:30 right now, and I'm getting ready because I am attending a wedding lunch later at 11, and this is why I'm in Vietnam. So yeah, actually the main purpose is to attend this wedding. So I came one day early so that I can like come and try their local food and all. And yeah, yesterday I didn't get to try like the proper pho. Like I tried so many local food yesterday, but not the pho. So today, after the wedding, I want to try their coffee. I know their egg coffee is very famous here. And pho, oh my god, I want to try pho. Pho. I need to try their pho. Oh, and banh mi, the very long bread. Also, I just got this new palette. So nice. So yeah, I'm just getting ready now.
This is my first time attending a wedding in Vietnam. At first, the couple cheers to their guests, and after that, I saw this paper bird on the table, which I had completely no idea on what's that. After that, only I know throwing paper birds at the wedding is a Vietnamese culture, and it's a way for guests to express their well wishes for the couple's future together. And instead of saying Yam Sing, this is how the Vietnamese cheers. After everything ended, the bride will gather her girlfriends outside the hall for tossing the bouquet.
Just changed from my dress to another outfit, more comfy, because we are heading out for coffee and some local food.
How do you know? Yeah, you're right.
Good morning, guys! Now I am getting ready because stay. Oh my lord.
너무 좋아한다.